Today we're going to be talking about the Commodore 60 series bilge pump. This is an automatic bilge pump with a built-in float switch. It comes in two models, our 750 gallon per hour with a 3/4 inch outlet and an 1100 gallon per hour with a 1 1/8 inch outlet. Let's open it up. Of course, the pump comes with instruction manual and then the pump itself. The pump comes with a 3/4 inch outlet on the 750 gallon per hour version. There's also an 1100 gallon per hour version that has a 1 1/8 inch outlet. The float switch on this pump is integrated inside of the strainer base. This is great because it prevents large debris, seaweed, etc. from interfering with the float switch mechanism. Also, the rear of the pump has a float switch testing area, and as with all other Commodore pumps, a quick connect wiring harness. This allows you, with a twist of your fingers, to quickly connect and disconnect the wiring when it's time for you to replace the pump, drastically cutting down on replacement pump times. The Commodore 60 series is really an excellent pump and a great value, really. It has an integrated float switch. The float switch is protected by the strainer base, so it prevents any debris or anything from getting into it. 5-blade impeller design, as opposed to the 3 or 4 blade designs out there. More robust motor, it's a higher torque motor. As always, all Commodore pumps come with that 4-year warranty, just a testament to our quality and our faith in our brand. And the quick connect wiring, which allows you to undo and redo the wiring connection in a matter of seconds with no tools. Price point, about 20% less than the competition. So really a great value at a reasonable price with a lot of cool little features. For more information on Commodore products, please visit CommodoreProducts.com.